Hi everyone, Ms. Cahill here. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to download, import PDFs into, and submit items completed in the Notability application. The first thing to do is check to see if you have the Notability application on your iPad. The Notability application is a blue icon with a pencil, and the tip of the pencil has a microphone on it. You can see it here in my teaching folder. If you don't have this app anywhere, you are going to go to your student app. That kind of looks like my teacher app. So I'm going to pretend that I'm a student even though I'm not. And in my teacher app, I'm going to go to my resources, and that's going to have all of the apps that I need. In my case, I already have Notability, but if you don't, you would scroll down to N and you would download or press the Get button for Notability. Now, I'm going to open up the Notability application just so that you can see it. Now, I actually never used it before, so it's going to give me, or at least on this iPad, I've used it in my life, but I haven't used it on this device. So it's going to give me a brief overview. Basically, you can use pencils, highlighters, erasers, and all sorts of other things to help you take notes. This is talking about some more fun drawing type features, but this is, how you can organize talking about how you can organize your content, the Notability shop, all that stuff. So since I've never used the app on this device before, I don't really have anything in here except for this welcome document where it actually kind of talks me through how to use it. So if you're not sure how to use the specific functions, you can look at this document and have it in there, and I would just leave it in your application so you can always find it. Now, if you press the plus button, you're going to have a few options. You can have your subject, which groups up your notes, and you can have dividers. So in this case, I'm going to just write subject, and then I'm also going to write divider, just so you can see the difference. And now what you will ultimately want to do is have subjects underneath different dividers, and you may even have a different divider for every class. So I'm going to make an English 2 divider. Whoopsies, I accidentally deleted it. I didn't mean to do that. So I'm going to make an English 2 divider. And I'm going to take that one notebook I have and I'm going to rename it. And I'm going to call this one Worksheets. And I'm going to make it like this gold color. Why not? I'm going to press close. And I'm going to put it underneath my English 2 divider. So now when I'm importing different documents for my English 2 class, I can put it under worksheets. I'm going to make another subject, and I'm just going to call it notes. So if I want to take different notes, I can have a section for notes as well. So that's how I set up my page. If I had other classes or if I have other subjects, I can include those as well. I'm going to actually stop there. That's just how you set up the Notability notebook. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how to import and complete a worksheet in Notability in the next video.